Hello, welcome to another tutorial. We're going to be doing a progression that is descending. All right, so you're going to be playing in a key of C. You play a 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Instead of playing a 1, you move to 5 and then back to 1. So it's like 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. If you were to use so first, it would be do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, so, do. Alright, so in playing it with chords, it's going to be like. Now, I'm going to be replacing the 7 with a 5. Alright, so if I were to play the left, I'm going to play like this. Okay. It's an inverted 5, okay? Alright. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then 5. So let's play it. I'm just playing a single note on the left. Now, if you're watching this video, anywhere you're watching it, it's a training exercise I'm doing for someone who wants to open his ears or be able to know when a song is being played, how to train your ear to know the progression of songs. So this is just one of the exercises, and I've been meeting them on Zoom. It's actually a paid tutorial, even though I'm going to make it available. I meet them one-on-one and then teach them what to do. So if you're interested, you can send me a message and then I'll add you to the list or the group. Alright, so now let's improve upon the play. Alright, actually let me play something for you to know where we are getting to. So basically that's another way of playing this progression that I'm teaching you. So we will get there. All right, and let's continue. First of all, I want you to practice this one. So 1, and then when you're playing the 7, you play a 5. So if you're playing a 1 and you're moving to the 7, your index or whatever finger you're using to play the 5 will stay, right? Then only the little will move a step backwards. You can add the 6 to it like this. Then you move to a 6, then to a 5, and a 4. Then when you get to the 4, you can do something like this. So this one, the ring finger and then the little, then you play your chord 3. Then you maintain your 3 and play a 5 like this. playing it again. Like, you can add it, it makes it nice. So listen again. Then you maintain the 2, and when you maintain the 2, you find out that the C is also there. So this is a minor 7 chord over the 5, then you play your chord. Again, 1, 6, and then 5, then 4. Sorry. Right, yeah. So let me move to 4 again. 4, 3, 2, then 2 over 5, then back to 1. There are a lot of songs that has this kind of progression, like let the rain of your presence follow me everywhere that I go, with every breath I breathe. Let the rain of your presence follow me everywhere. This song, laid aside the majesty, gave up everything for me, suffered I've created to come and share. When you died and rose again. If you are playing this progression, make sure you have a sustain pedal. So if you don't have a sustain pedal, you might not be able to get that sustaining sound like my own. So it might not sound as nice as my own. So get a sustain so that you can, have some space in moving your hands. The sustain helps you in, moving from chord to chord without the chord dying or obviously going off before you play the next. Alright, so again, I'm sure, okay, this one variety. So with this, it means I've played a 6. It means you play like this, 1 and then 6. Or you can play the one like this. Right? And then when you're moving this way, this one should move. So your left does this, and then your right does this. Or you play this, move an octave apart, so that your left can do a full left chord. And then when you're moving like this, and then you do the 6. So you can leave a space in and then play like this. And 6, 5, 4. I think you should play like this. So let me see, I already have 10 minutes. Okay, so the next variety, which is version 2, you do it like this. Then you do a 7, 6, and then a flat 6. So you use your ring. So then you play a 6 like this. Then 4. Then you move back to the chord 4 in a root form. Then you do this, another variety. So with this one you have the so the next one too, you can do it like this. We are adding like this. So this is what has happened after. Then we do 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm talking about the notes here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So you play the 1, 2, 3, 4 notes, and when you get to the 4, you play a chord. This chord, I don't know whether you know it, but it's a flat 7 chord. All right, where you play the major chord of the flat 7. So this is 1, 7, the flat 7. So you play a major chord of the flat 7 over 5. It creates a minor 7th chord. All right, so in all, what it is saying is that before you move to a chord 4, most of the time, depending on the song range, you can play a flat 7 chord, move to a 1 before you move to a 4. There are some times you play the flat 7 chord, excuse me, you move straight to the chord 4. All right, so let me move from this octave and then bring it closer. It becomes like this. So remember, I'm using a sustain pedal. Okay, so and then you need to learn how to do this. So at a faster pace, it becomes like. So that is where I do. So then I do. I can do it like this. So it depends on how mobile or agile your hands are. So as I said, you can be doing this exercise. Okay. Most of the time, even with my bare fingers like this without a keyboard, I do. Just to get my hands, my fingers going, so it becomes like. So you have to do this. Each one of them helps your hands to, you know, do some tricks. You can do. So whether you're playing it backwards or forward, you are still able to do it. So the progression or the chord progression is a 1, 7, 6, flat 7, 1, 4. Okay, so let's practice this one. The next time I'm going to give you another one. It falls within this same progression, but I think let's go with this one first and then master it, and we'll do another one. Okay, so because there are other ways of playing this too. Let's say in key F like this. I'm just messing around with the key F to see something. Practice this and then we'll get on into another progression. And by listening and playing progressions for a while, not necessarily playing a song, but playing progressions, your ears develop or are awakened to the sound of the chord. So for example, you should know how a chord 1 sounds in a progression, how a chord 6 sounds, and then how a chord 2 sounds, a chord 2, and then a chord 5. So by playing the progressions, different progressions, your ears are awakened to the sound. So if you're listening to a song, you will not be listening to the lyrics of the song, but you'll be hearing chord progressions. Okay, so it's from a chord 1 to a 4 to a 6 to a 2. Okay, this is a minor chord, a flat 7 chord. Okay, so by listening, it helps you. So you gradually, improve upon your hearing. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.